Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a veteran or an active duty service member exploring the possibility of a VA loan, one of the first things you'll probably want to know is, what is the minimum credit score needed to qualify? Today, we're going to break that down and clear up some common questions. But before we get started, keep in mind, there's no magic number or guarantee when it comes to getting approved for a VA loan. Credit score is just one part of the picture, so let's dive in. First, let's quickly review what a VA loan is. VA loans are mortgages guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, designed to help veterans, active duty service members, and eligible spouses buy homes with special benefits. Some of these benefits include no down payment and no private mortgage insurance. Now, when it comes to credit scores and VA loans, the big question is, what score do you need to qualify? The VA itself does not set a specific minimum credit score requirement for VA loans. That means the decision really depends on the lender you're working with. While the VA doesn't require a specific score, most lenders will have their own guidelines. Typically, many lenders look for a score of at least 620. That said, some may accept lower scores depending on other factors in your financial profile. Keep in mind that lenders don't just look at your credit score. They'll also consider things like your debt-to-income ratio, your employment history, and your overall financial stability. These all play a role in how lenders assess your ability to repay the loan. What if your credit score is below that 620 range? Don't worry, there are steps you can take. Start by reviewing your credit report to make sure there aren't any errors. If you find mistakes, dispute them with the credit bureaus to get them corrected. You can also try paying down high balances on credit cards or working on making timely payments across all your accounts. A consistent, positive payment history can help improve your credit score over time. The great thing about VA loans is that they're designed to help veterans and service members, even if you're facing financial challenges. While many conventional loans require higher credit scores, the VA loan program offers some flexibility. Even if your credit score isn't perfect, you might still be able to qualify depending on the lender. So, to recap, while there's no official minimum credit score set by the VA, most lenders will look for a score of around 620. But remember, your credit score isn't the only factor. Lenders will also take a look at your debt-to-income ratio and overall financial situation. So, if your score isn't where you want it to be, there are still options. And it's always a good idea to speak with a loan officer to understand your specific situation. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on VA loans and home ownership. And always remember, your financial situation is unique. Be sure to consult with a professional who can help guide you through the process.